everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Christy and I am a part-time reseller on eBay, Mercari, Poshmark, Facebook Marketplace, all of anywhere where I can make some money. On my last video I mentioned to everybody that I was going to get a dedicated eBay workspace, and this is just the first tour. I wanted to show you what I'm working with, and then I will start to put it together and give you little snippets in between, and then show you a final what I got done. So here's my hallway leading up from the main house. This is a 700 square foot space up above the garage. And so there's a window. This is all my stuff for my storage unit that I'm slowly bringing over. And then get over here. That's where I'm doing pictures for the moment. Not a great setup, but it works for now. Just some more stuff. And see, I picked up that filing cabinet today from a Facebook Marketplace post for like 25 bucks. I'm thinking about possibly starting to switch over some of my storage of my like hard good stuff to inside those kind of drawers instead of totes. Got that mannequin and a pallet that I bought. And some more windows. And then with the house, the lady who owned the house left me this big armoire thing in here, and then the second one over here. And then this is just more stuff from my storage unit, things I have to list, things that are already listed. It's all just a big mess in between, you know, sitting here. I haven't even worked with it yet, still moving in. This is like a little closet over here. I thought about using this shelf to like store all of my shipping supplies, and then using these shelves or these things to start putting, like, let's see, so like if you open it up, it has this here, so maybe putting like bulky coats, blankets, things like that that I have for sale, pillows, and these big things here. Yeah, so that's pretty much everything. So one thing I would like you guys to do, if you wouldn't mind, is tell me what you would do at this space. Like, I'm trying to figure out where I would put like my setup for my lights, where I want to store inventory. I thought about storing it over here by these windows. You know, I want to put a separate like shipping setup over in here, and just have more space for putting more inventory. I'm going to try to ramp up my eBay business this year. I'm going to try to double. Last year I did about 8,000 in sales. This year I want to try to do I'd actually like to do more than double. I'd like to do 20. So for pictures, all I do right now is I have this light, and then I have this whiteboard that I place stuff on and take pictures. There's lots of windows in here, so I'm sure during the day I'll have lots of nice natural light. Carpet will need to be replaced eventually, but hey, it's just my eBay room. It doesn't really matter. So yeah, tell me what you would do with this space. Tell me what you think of it. I would love to hear anybody's suggestions or what people think. Like, subscribe, comment. Please comment. Let me know what you think. I really need some advice on what to do. Would really appreciate anybody's thoughts and what they would do. And I will, once I get some more of this stuff put away and get some more, I want to get some folding tables and some other things and some more stuff in here to get it organized. Once I have it organized more, I will send another video your way and show you the progress. So hope everybody's having a great new year. I will talk to everybody later. Have a great night. Bye.